guys. And
Oh, sorry.
oh my god. And this is our pet store.
So, honestly, our home in the water got broke by lava, right? So we build one. You guys. So okay guys. You guys. So you never touch.
Dapat may pangalan meron sa kanilang pangalan na Franklin.
Okay, dogs. Now let's.
Ito si Franklin ah. Ito yung dog na to.
Ana, Kuya Rick, student ikaw. Kuya Rick, ikaw yung.
So, no one can go. Okay.
No, we'll go. So we are here. Pet store only, but no pink concrete only.
Tingnan mo nilagay ko. No. Wait lang.
No pink.
Hey!
Ano?
Tingnan mo, basahin mo pagka ano. Bilisan mo. Baby, don't distract me. I'm a gonna
No kidnapping. No kidnapping.
Kailangan meron kailangan meron ditong torch. Torch. Para walang makakapunta. Walang makakapuntang
Dito.
Oh my god. There we go. There. Now you have. Okay.
Don't. If you see.
Wait. Dogs love carpets. Okay. So this is their bed. You know. Oh my goodness. Oh, I hate ads. Like and subscribe if you do too.
Yan, umalis ka na dyan.
We need.
You sit there. Dapat private server ko yun. Alam ko. Gagawa tayong private server natin. Joke lang.
Private server na nga to eh.
Wait lang. Joke lang. Wait. Kuya, dito tayong nag-send ng
Sino mo ginagawa ng mga dogs? Pinapatay yun, nagsasabi ng pink concrete.
ano sabi nga?
Goodbye, good night.
Goodbye.
Ba't hindi mo nilagyan dito ng door?
Igay mo?
Hindi.
Dapat igay mo. First, we need this so the dogs can go here, right?
Sometimes,
You need to help me!
I'm sleeping and tired, bro.
Okay, and we fix this thing up. Okay?
Okay.
I'm the dog's teacher.
Wait, I think someone is.
The dogs are barking. What is it?
The dog is barking.
What you said? What you
Dogs
said?
are barking.
What you said? Sit.
That jump scared me, bro. You jump scared me.
Dapat private server mo to eh. At private server ko, di ba?
Hala, tignan mo to kayo. Kaya pala. Tignan mo. Ito kay.
Nag-abort sila.
Yeah. I know.
Stop it.
Doggies, stop. Doggies, stop. How can you stop the dogs? They can't say.
Now you are there, okay? Don't move. Don't bark. Are you seriously? I'm replacing something. Can you excuse me?
Excuse me. You're gonna say excuse me. There. My inventory is so trash. What?
That's my diamond. Oh, I forgot.
Bakit?
Ito yung inventory ko eh.
Ha?
Ito yung inventory ko eh.
Inventory?
Ano ko eh.
Ano?
Yan yung inventory ko eh.
Wala naman na.
Ano to? Oo, kita mo to. Ano yan?
Stop ko kinukuha ko to, King. Ayun. Yung stop mo na sa taas. You dumb. Hindi. Oh. Hindi.